find the canteen tab next to the school fees and click on it. The first one is a single order. If you are going to order one time or just one day for your child, you can do this repeatedly for a number of days, but I think the bulk order is good for multiple orders at the same time. Okay, right. So on the single order page, the first step is to select the child that you want to order the canteen for. Alright, so I have a lot of children linked to my account, so I just select the one that I want to place the order for. Alright, now the next one is to select a date. Every date matches a weekday, and every weekday has its own meal. Alright, so if I'm ordering for Monday 12 today, right, so the meal for today is showing on the screen. Okay, and you will see the details, the title, the description, and the price. It's already added automatically, and then it will also open the extras section. Then you can add them to the main meal. Okay, right. So there's water here, I can add to it. If you also want to add some fruits for your child, and then add oranges. Okay, all right. Now if you scroll down to the order summary, you will see all the items that you've selected. Okay, right. So you can see the main meal, and you can see the extras that you've added. You can use the delete button. That's the delete container here. You can see you can remove the items that you are no longer interested. So let's say, for instance, if I want to remove the water, I can click on the delete button and it's gone. Okay, right. The quantity too, you can also increase or decrease it. Okay, for maybe if I want to order more than one oranges, so I can just click on the addition button, so it will be another quantity will be added. You can also reduce it by clicking on the minus button. Alright, so if you want to add back the water, you can go back again and then add to it, so you can see the total price of the items you've selected. Now if you're okay with the order, then you can go ahead and then check out. Just go ahead and click on the blue button here to pay the total amount, and then your order will be placed for your child. So just like we did for the fees, is the same payment method. So if you want to pay with mobile money or bank card, you can go ahead and then select an option and then follow through to make a payment. Okay, right. So we're not going to do that now. So yes, I can click on cancel payment to send me back to the app. Okay, all right. So we are back to the canteen. So you can see that this one is for a one-day order, even though you can decide to do this one repeatedly for a number of days. Maybe if you want to order for the whole 5 days of the week, you can do this one for each single day. Okay, but since this is going to take you more time, we've added a bulk order here. So click on the bulk order, and with this one you can be able to order for the whole month, a number of months at once. Okay, right. So you don't need to be returning to the canteen to make an order for your child every day or every time. Okay, all right. So with the bulk order, we are going to follow these steps carefully to be able to place an order for your child. Okay, now the first step is always to select your child, the child that you want to place an order for. So I'll go and select this one. Okay, now the step 2 is to plan a weekly meal for the child. Each day has a meal, so we are going to expand each day, and then we are going to plan what the child is to take for that day. So expand Monday, the meal for Monday is showing, and then what we have to do here is to add the extras to the main meal. You click on extra, and then you have a drop down of them, so you can select the one that you like to add to it. I will select water. You can add more extras to a day. Okay, all right, and right from here you will see the total for that day as 6 cedis 70 pesos. That is for the main meal and the 2 extras that you've added. All right, so we are done planning for Monday. This is every Monday, this is what the child is to take. We can minimize it, and then we go ahead and then expand Tuesday as well. We are going to add extras, water, and any other item that the school provides, okay, that you like for your child to take, you can add to it. All right, so we're done planning for Tuesday. So on Wednesday we add extras, same thing for the rest of the days. Okay, right, so we've built a weekly meal plan for the child, what you want the school to serve your child each day of the week. Okay, all right, so step 3, this is the days you want the school to serve your child, the canteen. Okay, right, so we've made this one so simple. You can click on the menu items at the top here to select them automatically, or just select them manually. If you click on this week, it's going to select the days of this week. Okay, maybe the next 2 weeks or this month is going to select the remaining days of the entire month. Okay, right, so this you can also go to the next month, February, and then you select all the days that you want the school to serve your child's canteen. Okay, weekends are not included, it's left out. Okay, so you're done with February. You can go to March and also select the days that you want the school to serve your child. You can skip the days, maybe holidays and others, or days that you don't want your child to be served. Okay, so it's very flexible, so you select just the month, the days that you want the school to serve your child canteen. Okay, so this one you can select a number of months, even the whole term, and then place the order at once, so you don't need to visit the canteen menu all the time to make an order for your child. So step 4 is the order summary. You are going to see the details of what you've selected. The child you are placing this order for, you see the name there and the number of days selected. That's 51 days selected. Okay, and the total amount for the 51 days is 553 Ghana cedis 70 pesos. Okay, right, so if you proceed to check out, you're paying for 51 days, and the school is going to receive these specific days that you've made the order for in bulk. They are going to serve your child for these 51 days. Okay, right, so you can go ahead, click on the blue button, proceed to checkout, and then make the payment, and that is it. You've placed a bulk order for your child. Now the next tab is the history. Click on the history button, and then you are going to see all the orders you've made in the past. If you had gone to place the order, it's going to appear here on top. So when you expand each of them, you will see the details. Okay, so this is for your records. So any canteen order you place for your child, you are going to see the details here. The school is also going to have this one at their end. So in case there's any issues that are regarding whether you actually made or placed an order for your child or not, the records are here. You can show this one to your school, or you can also have it here for reference. All right, that is it for the canteen. So we are moving on to the next tab, that is basin. So click on the basin tab, and it's the same procedure here. You first select the child that you want to pay for basin for. Then the next one is to select the location. Some of the schools have many locations that they bus from, so make sure to select the right location that your child will join the bus to the school. Okay, so I'll select this one. Okay, so just like the canteen bulk order, you can select multiple days that you want your child to join the bus. Okay, all right, so you can move on to the next month and do the same thing by selecting the number of days. The same way, if you move down here, you see the summary here. You see the number of days selected, 15, and then the app is going to automatically calculate the total amount that you have to pay. So click on proceed to pay and follow through the steps to make a payment. Okay, so the basin also has the order history. They are going to be stored here for your reference. Okay, all right, so that is it for the basin. Let's move on to the school shop. So click on it here. Okay, so the school might have a store and items that they sell out to their students. So these are just demo items that I've added just to take you through. It's very simple to place an order for your child. Just click on the add button here next to every item. Okay, then you select the child that you want to make the purchase for. You see the order details here. You see the item name. Then you can proceed to checkout, make the payment, and the school will receive your order and provide your child the item that you've purchased. All right, the same way, there's history here that you can use for your records. Okay, so that is it for the school store. So let's move on to the academics tab. You click on it, and then first you select the child that you want to view the academic records. So you have the report cards. If the school have uploaded reports, you will have it here for the child. You can view and download it onto your device. We have the grading, we have the attendance in e-learning that are coming very soon. Okay, so you will be able to access assignments and everything that the school will send to your child here, and then you can monitor their progress. Let's move on to the notice board. Now the notice board is divided into two categories. You have the payment reminders. This is a message from the outstanding fees for every child. So the school can send you or remind you an outstanding fee that you have to pay for that particular child. All right, so the school notice board is for general notice from the school, maybe PTA meetings and other stuff is going to be placed here for you as well. That is it for the notice board. It contains fee reminders and general notice from the school. All right, so let's move on to the last tab here, my account. Okay, this is where you, the parents, can manage your profile. Now you can upload an image for your profile. Click on the choose image, and this is going to take you to your phone gallery. Select the best image that you want to use. I don't have a nice image here, but I'm going to try one for an example here. Alright, so you can see the profile image is uploaded. You can also change your phone name here, but I'm going to leave everything intact. Your phone number, you can change it. Okay, right? And you can add your occupation. You can also add your residential address. Okay, so the parents, make sure you add all these information to your profile. They're very important. Your occupation, your residential address, in case the school is looking for where to locate you, they can get you. Okay, right? So when you're done and you're okay, click on the save button here to save the changes that you've made. Okay, now scrolling down, you have the account actions. This how you can reset your password. If you want to change your password, you can click on the reset password. It will ask you to confirm if you actually want to continue and do this. Click on continue, and then it's going to send a reset password link to your email. So when you open your inbox, you're going to see a message from this app. You click on the link, and then you'll be able to enter a new password for your account. Right, so the last one is you can click on logout. It's going to sign you out of your account. Okay, I'm not going to do that now because we still have a few things to cover. Now you can see at the footer here, you see contact us. When you click on the contact us, it's going to open your school contact details that you can communicate with them. Alright, you can close it. Okay, so the other two tabs at the footer here is for the app itself, our services. When you click on it, this is what we are currently running. Okay, if you want to know more about this app, you can click on the about this app, and then you're going to read more about it. Okay, yeah, you can also make a call to us. If you have any issue, you can call us on this number. And what's new, we make updates every time, so when you click on what's new, you might see what work is going on currently on this particular app to improve it. Okay, all right, so one other thing we need to know is go back to the family tab. In case it is your child's birthday, you're going to receive a birthday message from the school right here, but where it's going to be placed, for instance, let's go and edit one of the children's profile to change the date of birth so that the birthday will be today, and we come back and see how it's going to look like. So click on the edit profile. Let's say today January, and then today's date is 12, right? And click on save. Okay, meaning today is the birthday of this particular child. Let's go back to the dashboard, the family tab. Alright, so this way is going to be displayed. This is how it's going to look like, a beautiful birthday message for this particular child. Okay, before we go to recap, you have the family tab. That is where you first add your children, or the school will add them to your account for you. You see all your children here, and then you can view their records, their details. All right, so you can pay school fees for your children right within this app using the school fees tab, the canteen, the busing, the school shop, the academics, notice board, and managing your account. Okay, right, so that is all for the parent facing app tutorial. So if there's anything you don't understand, just go to about this app, and then you'll be able to contact us there. These are our contact details, and thanks for your time, we appreciate it. So we are going to be adding new features, and whenever we have some, I'm going to make a tutorial about how to use them again. All right, I'm Paul, and see you next time again, and goodbye.